As youth workers, we often have conversations with young people about how they support their own anxiety to build their resilience and that bounce back ability. Here's some ideas they came up with.
To help my anxiety, I go for a walk.
I read.
I doodle because it makes me happy.
I practice breathing activities.
I ride my bike.
I like to talk to my friends.
I tell someone.
I find somewhere quiet to go.
I play computer games.
I think positive thoughts.
I spend time with my pet.
I like to listen to music because it makes me feel better.
I use a mood tracker.
I have a bath.
I have something nice to eat.
I have a rest.
I write my feelings down.
I create something.
I use positive affirmations.
I have a break.
I give it a go as it's okay to make mistakes.
So, what activities would you try? Or what would you add to our list? This Mental Health Awareness Week, chat to friends and family and start the conversation. To help my anxiety, I would...